What's going on, G Squad? It's your boy, man, and welcome back. Hey, man, step down to Miami real quick, man. Got a couple of birthdays, man, and you know what I mean, wanted to show our support, so we came down here. You dig? And man, we out here doing a little shopping right now, man. Miami might be that deal, you dig? You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Hey, say birthday. It's your birthday.
Hey, birthday girl, where you at?
Yeah, I already know what.
He's not gonna jump off you, he's not gonna do nothing crazy. You could stand up straight.
Yeah, why you stand at an angle? Stand up straight.
I don't, it's weird.
It's like a little baby.
It's my birthday!
They lit out here, you see? Look at, she ready for the count. Oh!
Trying to get blunt tonight.
When you go to Hawaii, I'm trying to get laid.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now.
Oh, shoot, y'all brave, man. I gotta do my phone.
Whipping that
Crank.
Scrabble. A milkshake flavor. 3, 2, 1. Strawberry.
Look, so now that we took a trip to Miami, came back, my wife had monkeys jumping all on her and all that good stuff. You saw that. And, I feel refreshed. I feel reformed. You did. So now I got all the energy in the world. Guess what? She saw in the thumbnail. We back. We back. We finna go and get to it. I ain't gonna even prolong nothing. We got a lot of work to get done. We on a time crunch. Let me spin. Yeah, making y'all dizzy, I know. But we on a time crunch. The guy that painted the SS, he actually came out to the crib and went over the Malibu and gave me a nice little projection date. So with that being said, I'm on a time crunch to get this thing moving. And I want to hurry up and get it moving as soon as possible because we still got to finish up the Monte Carlo as well. So I started taking things apart on the Monte Carlo, like the distributor and all this good stuff. But I'm gonna have to tuck that project to the side right now and get active on the Malibu. So with that being said, today what we're gonna do is, man, we're gonna get this cross member up. G-Force sent my stickers over for the cross member, so we 100% legit. Alright, so yeah, so we gotta take this drive shaft back down, and then we gotta get this Jed's cross member out of there. We're gonna get that out of there. We're gonna get the other one in, and then we're gonna be A100, you did. So without further ado, man, let's go and get active. So first thing first, man, we're gonna take these 2 bolts unloose. See what's to these 2 bolts on this side. I'm gonna go to the other side. I need to get this middle bolt out first. It's kind of doing that little tilt situation. So I need to go ahead. So one of the things that, man, I ran into a problem with this Jed cross member, even though it's a brand new cross member, y'all, brand new. But I ran into an issue with it because the configuration of it, man, something ain't right about it. It really ain't right about it. And so in order to make it fit, I had to kind of do my own thing right up in here. You can tell got a big ass gaping hole right there that I'm just not pleased with. And so yeah, man, that's why I wanted to go ahead and just change this thing out. Like I said, man, what you think gonna be quick job never work out that way. So I'm gonna let y'all know what we got right now. And, yeah, you did. Yeah, I'ma know it. But anywho, so we got the cross member up there, but it's not lining up with the bolt holes. What we ultimately came up with the conclusion with, that we need to shift the entire motor forward. So it is kind of close back here, and the motor is sitting at an angle, if that makes sense. So it's kind of like sitting this way, more on the passenger side. So the transmission pan is bumping up against the cross member. So yeah, man, so we got to do that. We're gonna have to fix that real quick. Y'all see my light just went out. I don't know why, man, but anyways, we're gonna have to do that real quick, man. Get that part situated. And dizziness, yeah, I'm gonna get that part situated, and I need to go in here and kind of find some stuff too, man, that I kind of like misplaced. So yeah, what I have done thus far in order to start this process was I went ahead and took out the manifolds. I've already unloosened the, oh man, y'all can't see this, man. I already unloosened the dirty dingo brackets down there. I gotta unloosen the dirty dingo brackets on the other side, and then we'll be able to shift the motor like we need to. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up leaving it loose. That way, in case we need to do some maneuvering with some other things later on, we can. You did. So, yep, that's where we at. So we're gonna go ahead and get back to this part, man, and I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a little bit. You did. So stay tuned. Man, this car stuff ain't hard, man. A lot of people try to make this car stuff hard. This thing can take a lot of patience, you know what I mean? And people ain't got a lot of patience. People get frustrated entirely too easy, and give up. Instead of, you know, taking my approach. Take my approach, man. Walk away for a little bit, come back, you know, have you a Coke, a Snicker. Come back to the job, man. You be able to knock it out with no problem. Let me see. I gotta tighten this one a little bit more. Now that I know that the motor is kind of like not situated correctly, it's like it may not be nothing wrong with them jigs. That jig cross member. Which further lets me know that, man, you need to check all possibilities when you're talking about, is there something wrong? You need to check everything. First thing I jump to is like, oh, this cross member ain't shit. Whole time cross member might be about everything. Now I can't do nothing with it. Nothing, you know, cut it all up. Y'all know anybody that need a cross member 700 off 4, something like that? 4L60E. I think it works for one or two other transmissions too. Chevy, Gbody. Let me know. Manifolds. Oh. And we back at it. Man, this gonna be either really good or really bad. So let me show y'all what I'm doing. So basically, man, came to a halt on progress on getting this cross member up. So with that being said, one of the reasons why we're having that issue is because I think the motor is sitting too far back into the engine bay. So I need to pull the motor forward.